What's up guys, we're in the presence of something quite special here. This is the E46 330i. So it's got a 3-litre naturally aspirated engine, very punchy, very responsive, but that's not all. Check out what's on the inside. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox guys. It's not original, it's been converted, but what is original are these M Sport seats and this M Sport steering. I'm sure it's very powerful and very fun to drive. So this car is currently being maintained and serviced at FD Jaya Motor Services in Petaling Utama, and personally this is where I have been bringing my personal clunker to service and repair for the last few years now. It is a one-man operation, so you got the Sifu doing everything from top to toe, whether it's servicing the car or even a manual transmission swap. Everything is done by one man. Mr. Uy, the owner of this shop, very friendly guy, speaks English, speaks BM. So if you got an old BMW to service or repair, check out FD Jaya Services in Petaling Utama.